이런 식 하면서. Hello, my wonderful, wonderful people, and welcome back. So in this one, we went to quite a few different places, starting with yesterday when I finally decided to visit the Mouse Rabbit Café, which is a cafe near Konkuk University and near the Konkuk University station. And the special thing about this one is it is owned by a K-pop idol, Yesung from SuperJunior. And, well, I'm not that big of a fan apparently, because I did not know it was his birthday. So I was a bit surprised when the whole cafe was like fully packed, which it didn't surprise me that much, but yeah, there were more people than there normally are. And funnily enough, I picked the exact time when he came as well. So while I was sitting downstairs drinking my iced Americano, he showed up. And all the girls and boys who were there to say hello went upstairs and they sang happy birthday, and it was really cute. I decided to stay downstairs because even though I know him and even though I kind of like the group, because it was one of the first groups I fell into when I fell into K-pop, I did not need to be in anyone's way. I did not need to be like, it's fine. They were really happy and I was like, okay. If there were less people, I might have gone and had a look, because that happened the first time I went to the cafe. He just went by and I saw him. But even then I did not say hello or anything, because apparently I'm not really a fangirl. It's not that I'm totally, completely like unfazed by it, but I'm also not that interested in it. But yeah, other than that, afterwards I walked around the neighborhood, and as you can see from the vlog, there are quite a few bars and things like that. So I think it might be a good place to go when you want to go out. I don't know. I'm not the nightlife guru, as you know, so. But I had fun walking around and then going back home. Today, I took the bus, which I did not film because it was the same way I took at least twice already. But I had to go further than the last time because I went to Ihwa Mural village. I kind of knew what I was getting into because this neighborhood is right next to a park that is called Naksan Park. And every time you see a little sun behind something, chances are really, really high that there's a mountain. So as you can tell from the footage, it is a neighborhood that's made of very tiny streets. There seem to be a lot of artists, there's some wall art there, and there's this old city wall that is up on the mountain. And everything is on the mountain, so you have to go up very high and you have to go down very steep, so that was interesting. But because the weather today was good, the sun was shining, it was not too hot, I enjoyed the walk and walking around there. So yeah, that was a lot of fun. And then afterwards I knew that from there I could go to Dondaemun Plaza or square. So I went there and I realized it was my first time. It was also my first time in that neighborhood, but it was also my first time at Dondaemun Plaza. And there are quite a few shops to go like shopping for clothes. So if you're interested in that, that might be the right area for you. Yeah. So I walked around there. I did a little bit of window shopping because I didn't buy anything. And yeah, that's where the footage ends today. So I think we've managed quite a few things in this one. And there's even 2 new things because I've never been to the Mural Village and I've never been to Dondaemun. So there's still things you can explore, or I can explore, that I have not seen before. So that was a lot of fun today. Yeah, we'll see what I will do tomorrow. I think I might just go shopping, so I might not film, but that's on me. Other than that, please stay healthy. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next vlog, because I think there still will be more until I have to leave. So yeah, until then, bye.